So perhaps we should look further backwards to move forwards, because if we think about it logically, if we're in an AIIN clock, if you're on the 180-day clock, the time frame to put something forward with an experimental paradigm shift, it's almost insufficient in order to manage the changes that the FDA is really looking at, right?
That's exactly right. So what we've been recommending to our clients right now, because of this shift in regulatory thinking, it's not just the FDA, I would say it's international as well, so EU MDR, TUV, etc. I would say that you need to be prepared for this type of feedback. So we have been advising clients that they need to consider running more 10993 endpoints than they normally would. And we as material scientists here, in addition to having the toxicology background, are able to pinpoint if materials of construction are potentially problematic. We're able to create a customized plan for you to kind of help mitigate some of those issues that you wouldn't know until the very end from your extractables and leachables.
So that classical shift from let's see what the FDA has to say, let's submit our 510K, yes, the data is a little bit questionable, but let's see what they say. Do you think that is a process that could change or should change based on the feedback?
Absolutely. I think that within the last 6 to 12 months, what we're seeing is consistent feedback about ensuring that you're understanding how your device works, both in the patient contact realm and also in the category of contact duration. We know that there's been some shifts in how regulatory bodies are interpreting limited contact versus prolonged versus permanent exposure. So ensuring that you have those ideas up front and building them into your biological evaluation plan, and then on the back end, understanding what you might need to do with the 10993 in coordination with extractables, leachables is really important.